guys, it's a big day. I brought the bird's cage out to spray it because it needed it really bad. I even brought their mat. I have a plastic chair mat. I brought it out to spray and to wipe down with a Norwex rag. It took me a lot of work to get to this point. But, oh my gosh, it needed it so bad. They're gonna be so happy. My crow, I heard my crow. My crow came, so I went and gave him more peanuts. He was calling at me. He's in the tree. See, he's coming down. Good job, baby. Get your peanuts. I'll go in. I love you too. Now after I sprayed it, I'm just going to wipe it down with this Norwex rag, which cleans with just water. And it'll be ready to put back together. Okay guys, I have all of the stuff from their cage cleaned and laid out on the rug. That took me a long time. So there's a few things, like you can see this perch is kind of gross. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wrap this with vet tape to make it brand new again. The same with this. Some of them I cleaned the rope perches also. Some of them that don't look as good, I'm just gonna rewrap with vet tape to make them brand new.